Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Cox, and I'm here today to discuss the importance of keeping your hearing devices clean and dry. Regular maintenance doesn't have to be complicated, and there are products available to help you with the task. By consistently maintaining your devices, you reduce the time spent having to get them serviced, you improve your overall ear health, and you ensure your devices are working at their best, so you can continue to hear what's most important to you. It is incredibly important that you keep your devices dry, especially in hot, humid, or rainy climates. Problems can arise with the microphones, the speakers, or on-device controls due to moisture. Permanent damage can be done by excessive perspiration or hair products that come in contact with the devices. Once the damage has been done, you will likely need to go into your hearing care provider for potentially costly repairs on your instruments. To help you with maintaining your investment, we offer several solutions. For the ultimate in cleaning, we offer the AGX Perfect Clean. Our AGX Perfect Clean is a patented device specifically developed for safe and effective cleaning and drying of all types of hearing systems. Simply set your hearing instruments in the Perfect Clean, and after 1 hour, they will be completely cleaned, disinfected, and dried. This system uses 3 steps. The Vortex cleaning component effectively removes earwax from hearing devices using the built-in antibacterial solution. The heated air fan removes moisture with controlled ventilation and consistent airflow. The UVC lamp destroys 99% of viruses and bacteria, which can dramatically reduce itchiness and infections of the ear canal. If you want the most thorough cleaning and drying system available, the AGX Perfect Clean is the one to choose. The second option is the AGX Protect Active Dehumidification System. This device is designed for maintenance and storage of all types of hearing instruments and uses a combination of a heated air fan and a UVC lamp. The fast and intensive cleaning cycle takes just 30 minutes. Additionally, it's small and easy to transport. For the most efficient dehumidification, cleaning, and rapid disinfection of your devices, the AGX Protect is your solution. There are other options for cleaning and dehumidifying your devices. For basic cleaning, we offer AGX cleaning wipes. These disinfectant towelettes are designed specifically for use with your hearing devices. The alcohol-free wipes are pre-moistened with a hospital-grade disinfectant and are excellent for quickly removing buildup on your devices. For passively drying your devices, we have the AGX Drying Kit. This is a convenient and portable container that uses a desiccant to dry your devices. Simply place your devices inside the container overnight and they will be dry and ready to use in the morning. Additionally, we offer the AGX Cleaning Spray. It cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes your hearing devices and ear molds. To use it, just spray on a lint-free cloth and apply to your hearing instruments. This will not harm your ear molds and is formulated for custom in-the-ear style instruments. We encourage you to try these systems for yourself in our clinic. Please reach out today to set up a time to come in, and the team will be happy to show you how the AGX cleaning system can help you protect your investment and maximize performance.